Hello and welcome to another beehiiv 101, where we're going to cover how you can personalize newsletters with custom fields. And this brand new feature we're very excited to share with you will allow you to customize your publications with users' information that you upload when you create your account and import your subscribers, or that you collect over time as we expand our ability to collect user information from our forms and such. So, jumping into it, if you go to your beehiiv account and click on audience, first we're going to tackle how you basically can look at the custom fields. So we're going to pick up where the last video where we talked about how to do subscriber imports and do custom fields within the imports. So if you have missed that, you want to go to subscriber or importing subscribers in our beehiiv 101 playlist. I'll link to that in this video. But if you've done that and you've imported some custom fields, they will show up right here. If you click edit, you can change them, but when you upload them, they will automatically show up on all user records. They'll be blank if you haven't added any information yet. Otherwise, you can they'll be populated with the information that you uploaded them with to begin with. So as you can see, we have first name, last name, and location here in our custom fields. If I wanted to, for example, go back to one of these fake accounts, you can see location is set to Georgia, Jonathan Wong is the name, and these are the location, city, and email address for these users, but they're pending, so we won't be able to use them in the custom fields. They'll only be accessible in custom fields once the user has accepted the double opt-in. So to use the custom fields, we're going to go to posts. We're going to open up a new or existing post and go to edit. And then when we jump in, the way that you're going to leverage your custom fields within a publication is by using these double curly braces. And then inside, you're going to put the name of that custom field. And then if you want to add a default, then you'll put a pipe and then whatever you want after for the default after this. So in this case, we're saying insert the first name custom field, and then if they don't have a first name, insert beehiiv community as the fallback. And what that'll look like when we go to the preview for no subscriber, it'll appear as the fallback. And then if we select a user who has that information, it'll dynamically insert. Now, if you want to test this email and you want to, send it to somebody with that dynamic field in place, you'd go to test and then enter the email you want to send it to, and then you select the simulated subscriber. If you don't select a subscriber, it will automatically fall back to that default. So from there, that pretty much covers, the details around that. You can use these fields within links. So if you want to append custom UTM parameters based on a characteristic about the user, if you need to insert a link that is specific to a specific user, for example, to send them to their referral portal, for example, where you want their subscriber ID, you can do that. The list of reserved fields that we use is in our Zendesk knowledge base. I'll add that to this video as well, so you can see what data we have on users that we store behind the scenes, but that should get you started. And from here, you can go through and the customization is really kind of up to you. The sky's the limit. It is worth noting also that the customization only works within the web version. If you do use customization, I'm sorry, I misspoke. The customization only works within the email version. For the web version, you will be able to see this user if they're logged in, but if they're not logged in, so most people, you'll still see the beehiiv community. So with that, thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing how you use these to customize your communications, and we look forward to seeing what you build. Thank you so much.